Adrian Mowat as well as Madhav Dhar as to what they make of the market mood and, of course, the pockets of interest to them.
You're getting surprises coming out of some of the key IT names. Reliance has been doing well year to date. And I think that the share prices are probably telling you that. I think the bank earnings are always going to be a bit of a struggle because we're going through such a protracted period of provisioning. And those headline provisioning numbers are really driving it. So, some of the private sector corporate banks, perhaps we're getting downside surprises from those. But it's all this credit quality issue that India continues to work through.
From the depths of 2008, 2009, almost 10 years ago, and so we probably have some more time to go. And I think leadership will probably broaden out because I think as the economic growth picks up, I think that profitability will filter to the smaller companies and broaden it out.
I think aviation is slowly but surely heading into a geo moment. What I mean by this is that one player will now decide that he will do everything to protect market position or grow it. And you are going to have another large player in the name of Vistara coming into the market with a fairly big plan. So I think that this sector is not going to see a redux of the Kingfisher moment. I would think that the prices will moderate much more from where they are today. So I would not like to name something which people will buy and then rue. But it is a fact that many of the companies which are good long-term stories have lost a lot of their value, and some of them have also fallen from the prices at which many of us would have acquired them. The focus would be to see how these companies would perform rather than focus on how much they have rallied in the last few weeks. I think one should look at valuations to decide whether he wants to buy Kotak Mahindra Bank, and we will all agree that it is not really at a valuation which makes you thump the desk. Sale would be a very straightforward idea at this valuation. If you look at what valuation people have paid in NCLT for the other companies and the kind of cat fight that is happening in NCLT to acquire companies, I think that sale is a simple and straightforward idea.